Hi, I'm Charlie Wenzel. I'm an actor, dancer, choreographer, and filmmaker. And I signed up for my first class at HB about 3 years ago. And I didn't really know what to expect, but I couldn't have entered a more supportive, encouraging, and nurturing environment than HB Studio. All the teachers I've studied with over the last few years have been absolutely amazing. They've been extremely knowledgeable, personally invested, and really challenging in great ways, which has contributed to my growth as an artist. And I couldn't have studied continuously over the last few years if it hadn't been for the HB Scholarship Fund. And I was extremely fortunate to receive a scholarship on more than one occasion. And it has made all the difference to me to be able to study continuously and consistently. And I'm really grateful to anybody who has donated to the fund because I really believe that you're enabling artists to continue practicing their craft no matter what their financial situation might be like. So that is very meaningful and it goes a long way. And I'm also very thankful for the HB community, and I'm really happy to be a part of the community. And I'm looking forward to continuing my studies online or in person.